Okay, we are just checking over slide 9, making sure you did that because this was your assignment yesterday. And then we have 6 times 2x plus 3. We distribute the 6. We get 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times 3 is 18. So 12x plus 18. Next one, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times a negative 1 is minus 3. I think we did this one together. Negative 7 parentheses x minus 2. So negative 7 times x. We all shut the door, please. So we get negative 7x plus 14. Negative 2 times a negative x would make it positive. Thank you. Yes. So negative 2 times a negative x is a positive 2x. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times 2 is 10. 9 times x, and then 9 times 3 is 9x plus 27. Okay, so we should be done with slide 9. So just double check yours. Okay, we are not starting the equations yet. What you're going to do is practice the simplifying expressions by using combining like terms and distributive property. So if you look back at the assignment, it says complete worksheet simplifying expressions, show your work, and insert a picture of your work on the Google slide. Please make sure all of your work is easy to read on your pictures. If I cannot read it, I will not grade it. So you click on the assignment, and you're going to work out each of these problems, and you're going to insert the picture here. Make sure your name is handwritten on the top of your work and visible in the pictures. Make sure that I can see it. If you need to go over it with pen once you're done, you can do that. But what this is, it's a maze. It says simplify each expression to find the arrow that will lead you to the next question. When you have a correct arrow, place a circle over it. So let's zoom in. So you're going to write these problems down. You can do your work in your journal. That way you don't have all these loose pieces of paper. Just work it out in your journal. So I'm going to get out my journal. And up at the top of the next page, I'm going to title it Simplifying Expressions Worksheet. Write your name and write today's date, 9/4/20. Okay, so I'll show you what mine looks like. Okay, so let's see, what is the first expression that we're simplifying? Yeah, pull that up again. Make sure you have the title on there, and then I'll pull up the problems for us to look at. Oh, I have paper copy over here. I can just use that. So the first one is 5x plus 2y minus 3x. I'm going to give you all a paper copy in a minute, if you're in class. Okay, so then we combine 5x minus 3x. That would make 2x. And then 2y cannot be combined with anything, plus 2y. Okay, that is all we can simplify. So then when we go to our worksheet, it says put a circle over the correct arrow. So go over here, insert, shape, circle or oval, and then do a circle around it. But I don't want mine to be filled in like that. I want it to be transparent. But you can do, well, let's see. You can go to custom and then change your transparency. Transparency means you can see through it. I'm going to do that one. And so I'm actually going to copy and paste this so I can use it as many times as I need. I'm going to move these off to the side. So I just have a bunch of circles that I can just drag to where they belong. So copy, Control C, Control V. Did y'all see how I made this transparent? You go to the fill color, pick a color that you like, then click custom, and then change transparency. And push OK. And so that changes that color so that you can actually see through it. And you can do any color you want. It's up to you. And then I just copied and pasted a bunch of circles and then moved them off to the side. Okay, so then you're going to do the next problem. You're going to write the next problem down. Once you're finished, you're going to take a picture of your entire paper. Don't take a picture of one problem at a time. I want you to take a picture because you should be able to fit all of these on this one page in your journal. So remember how we do it? We go to Insert, Image, Camera, and then you're going to hold it up. And make sure you can see it pretty well. So whenever I insert it, be like that. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. Pull this over here. That's it. And you are going to turn it in. All of these, or all of your arrows should be with some kind of circle. All right. So that is it. Once you finish, you can turn it in. I will be grading y'all's test and updating those grades in the gradebook on Google Classroom. So if I send it back to you and it is a grade that you do not like, you can correct it and then resubmit that to me and you can get half of your points back. Make sure you show your work, you explain why, and you also upload all of your work. All right, bye.